Today is the day. Not only are we leaving Thailand, but this is also the very last day on our world trip. It's been 20 months, which is crazy, but honestly, we are so ready to go home. Like, we are so looking forward to Germany. I cannot even describe it. We have a flight booked, which leaves at midnight tonight. So I think we're gonna leave for the airport in a couple hours, but we still need to pack. At the moment, this apartment is complete chaos, but yeah, we still have some time left and we now need to figure out how to pack all of this stuff into our 2 suitcases that we can take along. Welcome to Germany and also welcome to chaos. We have already had a couple really nice days with our families and we are now back home at my mom's place. We have a bedroom here and she very kindly let us store all of our stuff here while we were on the world trip. And what we need to do now is figure out which of these boxes we want to take to our new apartment and which of the boxes should stay. Because the apartment that we have is only for 6 months, so it's a temporary lease and we don't want to take stuff like photo albums or books. We only want to take clothes and kitchen stuff. So we just counted and there is 41 boxes and some of them are super small, but others are pretty big. So I think we have no other option than to look into each of these boxes and make a decision, and that's the plan for today. Was ist das?
Oh, this is
yeah. Oh my god. I would show you, but I'm not sure if we want to unpack this.
If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome. You'd be proud, yeah, believe me. You'd be proud. Child, you've already won. Yeah, there's nothing you could do to keep my heart from you. Just keep your head up high.
Give me the flamencos, my friend. Who knows what I'll need them for?
oh, Florida feeling.
I love it! Black roll! Black roll!
Know that I'll never leave.
Winter is coming. Yeah. You would think we are professionals at moving because I think we have moved already like 10 times or so. It was insane during the last 10 years. But sometimes I think we could be beginners. Like, I never know where anything is.
I would say we kind of are professionals, but we have never done this before. I mean, we packed our stuff and moved somewhere and unpacked it again. But there wasn't such a long lifespan.
Yeah.
Like 20 months in between, so
And
you don't know. I mean, we signed everything with what's inside the box, but...
Which is good, that's good, yeah. But we very much always moved and then right away unpacked everything. Like we were the kind of people where within 1 week you could not even tell that we just moved in. So I think this might be progress. At least the very first pile of boxes that was here is already gone, and many of them are gonna stay here because it's just books and books and books. I feel like I don't even own that many books, but maybe I do. Maybe I need to reconsider. Yeah, still not done, sadly. Help! Send help! So funny because there's also so many packages that are unopened, so it's just stuff that like we ordered during the trip. For example, all of the photo albums that I like designed during the trip, and I had them shipped here, but I never saw them. Or I don't even know what some of this stuff is, but I think this one, for example, is a new phone case for me that I haven't opened yet. Kind of feels a bit like Christmas. You know how sometimes you want to get rid of the chaos, and in order to do that you have to create more chaos? That's what's happened here. The whole bed is full of stuff. And we don't have any boxes left, so I think for now we're just gonna move it to the side and see if we can buy some more boxes tomorrow and then, yeah, stuff it all in somehow. We're almost done. As you can tell, I can sit on the bed again, which is good because we still need to sleep here for a couple nights. And I think I mentioned that we found so many unopened packages, so I thought we might check it out together. Yay! New phone case. I have no idea what it is. I ordered some stuff before we came home because I thought I need this and why not order it right away. So that was like maybe 3 weeks ago or so. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I have actually already read this, but I wanted to reread it and I wanted to have the chance to highlight things because I think it's so good. So if you want to know how to not die, but more like how to eat healthy, like check it out. Oh my god! This is gigantic. You can kill someone with this thing. It's part 2, by the way, which I have also already read, but same thing. Ooh, not that exciting. I guess that's a prime example of like a lot of packaging with very little thing inside, but this is actually vitamins. We try to check out a new brand because usually we get them from What's in Nutrition. But these were recommended by someone we follow, and so we thought, why not give it a try? Yeah, oh my god, I think that's it. We'll clean up the last little things and then we will see you on moving day.
Alright, how are the first impressions?
It's big. It's big.
And loud?
Kind of loud, but okay, the windows are open, yeah. It's definitely kind of old, which I think we knew,
Yeah.
but like old, not in a good way. Not in a pretty pre-war apartment thing, but more like in an old kind of way. But yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, I think this is our home now. So. It's really pretty gigantic and empty. Like, it's obviously empty because they just moved out, but it was also empty while they were still living here, I think. Like, all of the walls are so white. I think I'm the kind of person who puts stuff on walls. But yeah, this is our bedroom. Friends, that's it. We're done. We've moved everything in here. It was not even that much, to be honest. We're gonna unpack everything in the next couple days and we're gonna sign off for now. But if you want to, there's another video here on the screen for you and we'll see you in the next one.